eto pa, narinig natin na mayroong Oplan pursuit. Pakita na lang na inaamin at pinagmamalaki ni General Torre. Sabi niya, hindi ito spur of the moment. Huwag kayong maniwalang spur of the moment. Dahil matagal ko nang pinaplano ang Operation Pursuit. Ayan. Sige. Pwede natin ipakita. Ayan. Laksan lang po yung volume.
Paano yung, kasi kailangan nyo po talaga siyang ilipad sa daig, no matter what, on that day. So paano po ibinaba sa inyo ni PNP Chief Marbil na, how did he say that to you? Na no matter what, we need to fly the former president to The Hague and we need to implement the ICC arrest warrant.
Arrest him and bring him to The Hague. Yan lang. Simple as that. Arrest him and bring him to The Hague. Sagot ko lang, sir, bigyan mo ko aeroplano. O di ayos.
And then the rest, you planned everything.
Pero matagal na yan eh. Ang plano na yan, matagal na yan. Hindi yan spur of the moment eh. Matagal na yan. And nagkataon lang na talagang yun, the opportunity arose